Hey everyone, so this is a quick recipe of a chili cheese toast. So here in this bowl you've got grated cheese. I've used 3 eggs, yolk and all, and whole lot of chopped chilies, a little teaspoon or a quarter teaspoon of quarter to half depending on the quantity of baking powder, salt, pepper, and I've used milk to make the slurry and added maida to give it the right consistency. It should be a spreadable consistency. Then what you do is you take a slice of bread and you take this and spread it so it covers every corner of it. And then you're going to place this. I already have a batch cooking here. You're going to place this in a pan. We don't deep fry, so it's like a sort of a shallow fry. We put it face down. Oil has to be hot, don't overcrowd. And then the batter side down, you will fry them till they're nice and golden. Then you turn it over because the reverse side has to crisp up. Please make sure you season this batter properly because an insipid chili cheese toast is just terrible. So this one is the latest one that's gone in. You're going to give it a little bit of time. And make sure that you have enough oil so that it just covers one side. So it does not need to be excessive, but you need to have enough. Otherwise you're going to get this very dry, strange looking toast. Once the toast has browned up on the other side, so this is the one that went in last. We're going to turn it and see. Yes, it's nice and golden. And what you're looking for is this kind of a color on the front and this kind of a color on the back. And you'll remove it and put it on a plate which has kitchen towels so that it can drain the excessive oil and it can become nice and soft on the top and crunchy on the bottom. So I already have a batch that I made just 5 minutes ago which I have drained off nicely, so you can move it to the side. And then you move these around. This is the kind of color that you're looking at. So yeah, it's a lovely golden, but it should not be a dark brown. Then you're getting burnt. This is a lovely color. Yeah. And now we're going to put this to drain. This one needs a little more time. And the egg will get cooked because you put it the egg side down or the batter side down. And then you're going to get these lovely toasts. So I've got another lot going in. As you can see, the consistency of your batter is just short of runny and face down. You don't want raw egg in your chili cheese toast. And as you can see, the level of oil, it is not a deep fry. It's just enough to cover the bottom. And use tongs because you're able to drain and remove easier. So that's pretty much how it's done. I'll just show you what it looks like once it's completed. So there you have it, this gorgeous platter of chili cheese toast. It's crisp yet fluffy in the center, loaded with flavor, and it's great for a breakfast or a snack with a good cup of tea, and a wonderful way to use up your old bread. So if you've got some stale bread lying, this is perfect. So I'll just recap. You need 3 eggs. I've used 3 eggs, around 8 tablespoons of maida, around 6 to 8 green chilies, salt, pepper to taste, and I've used a cup of grated cheese. I've used your regular Amul cheese. If you like it cheesier, you use more cheese. You like it more spicy, use more spice. You'll see when it's spreadable the consistency, and you can add or remove maida. A pinch of baking powder I have used, and I've used a little milk, cold milk, to make the slurry. So happy 1st of January. Go ahead and make this quick bite and welcome the new year. Stay blessed, people.